Your heart, the first part is the arch of the aorta, okay? And then remember, this is the right side of the cat, and then this is the left side of the cat. So when you're laying like this, that's the side it's on, okay? So this is the right, this is the left. So coming towards the right, this big fat one right here is the brachiocephalic, okay? And then this coming off of the heart is the left subclavian, okay? So in the left subclavian, if we go towards the left, once it hits the armpit, it's the left axillary.
Well, that's easier.
Okay, and then the left brachial. Okay, off of the brachiocephalic goes brachiocephalic. This branch right here is the right subclavian. Once it hits the armpit, it's the right axillary and then right brachial. Okay, and then these two things right here are your common carotids. Okay, everybody good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so behind the heart, you got your arch. This becomes your thoracic aorta. Once it hits the diaphragm, it turns into the abdominal aorta. So this is the abdominal aorta, and then it goes all the way down. Okay? The first branch off of the abdominal aorta is your celiac trunk. And the celiac trunk splits into three things. The splenic artery, which goes to your spleen, the hepatic artery, which goes to your liver, and your left gastric artery, which goes to your stomach. And it's kind of hard to figure out where they go to, but I'll put post-it note hints for you to kind of help you that out, okay? Your second branch right here off of the abdominal aorta is your superior mesenteric artery, okay? And then your inferior mesenteric artery, don't worry about that one. Okay, and then the arteries coming out of your kidneys are your renal arteries. And then it goes all the way down. This is the abdominal aorta. Right here, right before it forks, it's the common iliac artery. Remember your ilium in your hips, okay? And then it becomes your external iliac, which is this outside one, and then the internal one is a tiny little one that's usually broken, okay? So it goes external iliac, and then once it hits the leg, it's the femoral artery, okay? The veins right along the femoral artery is the femoral vein. And then there's there's an external iliac vein. And then right here, when it comes together, it's the common iliac vein, okay? Good? Do you need to know? There's also an internal iliac vein, but usually it's gone, okay? This kind of goes inside of the external iliac, okay? Then you keep on going up, all the way up. Your renal vein is this guy right here coming out of your renal or your kidneys. And you keep on going up. This right here turns into your inferior vena cava, and it goes all the way up to your heart. This yellow thing is your hepatic portal vein, okay? And then at the top, this right here is your superior vena cava, okay? And if you go the arm, I guess it comes down. So your brachial vein is in the arm, your axillary vein is in the armpit, and then this right here is your subclavian vein, so this is all right subclavian, and then right brachiocephalic, and then your superior vena cava. And then you have your external jugulars right here, your transverse jugular goes across, okay? And then on the left side, you've got your left brachial vein, your left axillary vein, your left subclavian vein, and then there's a brachiocephalic on the left side for the veins, and it's this little one. It takes like this room. So here's your left brachiocephalic, here's your right brachiocephalic, and then this is your superior vena cava, and that's all you need.